BMW E36 with a K24 to engine swap. Is a true powerhouse, pushing 576 horsepower. The K24A2, originally found in Honda's high-performance models, brings VTEC power to the BMW chassis, creating an exceptional fusion. Expertly tuned for brutal acceleration and insane torque. It turns the E36 into a drifting legend, combining Honda's engine tech with BMW's classic design. This build delivers unmatched precision, power, and style, making it a standout on the track. RB26 Swap Nissan Pulsar GTI are legendary, filled with a beastly heart under the hood. This iconic hatchback is far from stock. The original engine has been replaced with the RB26, the renowned power plant that usually resides in the legendary Nissan Skyline GTI, known for its racing pedigree. The RB26's twin-turbo inline-6 configuration elevates this Pulsar to an entirely new level of performance. With a staggering 652 all-wheel horsepower, this car isn't just about numbers on paper, it's a pure adrenaline rush. The GTI's lightweight and compact chassis, combined with the RB26's power, make for explosive acceleration and incredible grip, enabling it to put down all that power through all four wheels. The AWD system enhances traction and handling, making it an absolute weapon on both the street and track. Built by Atelier Frey 70, this isn't just a car, it's a statement, blending the raw power of the RB26 with the aggressive style and compact Mazda RX-7 Hellcat Swap, a wild combination of classic Japanese engineering and American muscle. This RX-7 has undergone a jaw-dropping transformation by RCTS Autoworks, swapping its iconic rotary engine for a supercharged 6.2-litre Hellcat V8. The Hellcat engine, known for producing over 700 horsepower, takes this lightweight sports car to a whole new level, delivering brutal acceleration and a rumbling exhaust. Note, that's far from the original rotary signature buzz. The RX-7's sleek, timeless body now hides a beast under the hood, with custom modifications to fit the massive V8 and handle the increased power. Upgraded suspension, brakes, and a reinforced drivetrain ensure that the car remains stable and controllable, even with all that extra horsepower. This one-of-a-kind build combines the best of both worlds, the iconic design and handling of the RX-7, paired with raw American muscle, making it a true enthusiast dream come to life. The Turbo K20 swapped Lotus Elise, built by Etsy Spencer, is a thrilling example of precision engineering and performance enhancement. Originally known for its lightweight chassis and superb handling, the Lotus Elise has always been a driver's car, but this build takes it to the next level. By swapping in the legendary K20 engine from Honda, this Elise gets a significant boost in power and reliability. The K20, a 2.0-litre inline-4 engine, is renowned for its high revving nature and potential for massive power gains when turbocharged. In this build, the K20 isn't just swapped in as is, it's paired with a turbo, making it a true track weapon. The turbo setup gives it instant acceleration, while the K20's VTEC system allows for a wide power band, making it responsive throughout the RPM range, along with custom fabrication work, suspension tweaks, and a reinforced drivetrain. This Elise is capable of handling the extra power effortlessly. With the added turbo, the car doesn't just go fast, it goes fast. This is famous for. The result is an exhilarating driving experience, blending British chassis engineering with Japanese 2003 Mitsubishi Evolution with a 4.1 litres VR30 AP6. Swap the world's first GTR Swap EVO. This 2004 Mitsubishi blending the EVO's renowned rally-bred DNA with the heart of a Japanese supercar. The VR38 V6 underwent significant upgrades, including an increase in displacement from the stock 3.8 liters to 4.1 liters, ensuring that this car doesn't just stand out, it dominates. With this swap, the EVO achieves brutal acceleration, unleashing torque and power in a way that defies its original design. The combination of Mitsubishi's all-wheel drive system and Nissan's high-performance engine creates an exhilarating driving experience, blending two legendary automotive lineages. This EVO isn't just about big numbers. It's a testament to engineering skill and the relentless pursuit of performance. The RB26 SWAPS Mazda RX-7 FD, built by Justin DBI, combines Japanese performance legends in one astonishing package. Originally, the RX-7 FD is known for its lightweight chassis and rotary engine, delivering nimble handling and distinctive sound. However, this build takes it up a notch by swapping in the RB26 engine from Nissan, transforming the car into a true powerhouse. The RB26 is a 2.6-liter inline-six engine, famously used in the Nissan Skyline GTR, and is renowned for its robust construction and immense tuning potential. In this custom build, the RB26 isn't just dropped in. It's paired with a high-performance turbocharger to extract maximum power, turning the RX-7 into a beast on the road or track. The combination of the RB26's smooth power delivery and the lightweight, balanced chassis of the RX-7 makes for an exhilarating driving experience. Modifications to the suspension and drivetrain ensure that the RX-7 can handle the added power and torque, while the custom exhaust system delivers an aggressive soundtrack that blends the RB26's iconic growl with the RX-7's agile character. The Subaru Impreza 2JZ swapped drag car is a unique fusion of Japanese engineering, built for sheer straight-line speed. Originally renowned for its rally heritage and all-wheel drive handling, this Impreza takes on a completely different character with the iconic 2JZ engine under the hood. The 2JZ, a 3.0-liter inline-six engine from Toyota, is legendary for its strength and ability to handle massive amounts of power. This swap transforms the Impreza into a drag racing monster, built to dominate the strip. In this setup, the 2JZ is heavily modified and often paired with a large turbocharger, resulting in immense horsepower that can easily exceed 1,000 horsepower, depending on the build. With rear-wheel drive conversion and reinforced drivetrain components, this Impreza is specifically tuned for drag racing. The power delivery is brutal, launching the car down the quarter-mile with explosive acceleration. Custom suspension work ensures that the power gets to the ground effectively, while weight reduction helps improve speed and handling. Despite straying from its rally roots, this Impreza maintains the spirit of pushing boundaries and defying expectations, blending Subaru's rugged DNA with the raw power of Toyota's legendary 2JZ engine for an unforgettable drag racing experience. LS swapped Datsun 240Z, a true race car masterpiece. Built by Sean 26, this 240Z is far from stock, boasting a powerful LS engine swap that takes it to a whole new level of performance. The legendary LS V8, known for its robust power and versatility, has been expertly integrated into the classic Datsun chassis, delivering a thrilling combination of speed, power, and raw torque. With the iconic lightweight frame of the 240Z, now matched with the muscle car power of an LS engine, this build offers an exhilarating driving experience, both on the track and on the street. The LS swap not only provides massive power gains, but also transforms the car's character, making it a serious contender in the racing world. Every detail in this build has been carefully tuned for performance, from the upgraded suspension and brakes to the aerodynamic enhancements, ensuring the car handles as impressively as it accelerates. This isn't just a Datsun 240Z, it's a reimagined racing legend, merging American V8 muscle with Japanese sports car heritage to create a one-of-a-kind driving machine built to dominate. The Turbo J32 E2 swapped 93 Civic hatch, built by a Beastie Hatch, is an outrageous blend of old-school Honda styling with modern V6 turbo power. This 93 Civic hatchback, already known for its lightweight and nimble characteristics, gets an entirely new personality with the J32 engine under the hood. The J32 a 3.2-liter V6 from Honda's performance lineup, is a significant upgrade from the original four-cylinder, offering more displacement and a robust power band. Adding a turbocharger to this setup transforms the hatch into a torque-filled beast. pushing well beyond the capabilities of a stock Civic. The car's exterior isn't subtle either, especially with that massive rear wing. It may look over the top, but it serves a purpose, adding downforce to help keep the lightweight Civic stable at high speeds. Inside, the build includes reinforced drivetrain, components and suspension upgrades to handle the extra power and weight of the V6 swap. The turbocharged J32 engine brings a new level of performance, delivering a broad power curve that makes the car accelerate off-roads. The combination of turbo, aggressive style, and track-focused modifications makes this 93 Civic hatch a standout build, showcasing how far creativity and engineering can push a classic platform. The VK45 V8 SWAPS CF Mazda RX-7, built by Fortuna Motorsport, is a stunning blend of power and precision engineering. This extraordinary race car features a VK45 4.5-litre V8 engine from Nissan, which has been meticulously integrated into a carbon fiber RX-7 chassis to create a true masterpiece. With 1,300 horsepower and 958 pound-feet of torque on tap, this build pushes the limits of what an RX-7 can be. While not much of the original RX-7 remains, the body played a crucial role in establishing the car's balance and providing the blueprint for this ambitious project. The attention to detail is astonishing, as every component has been optimized to handle the immense power output and deliver maximum performance on the track. The VK45 V8 delivers a powerful and throaty exhaust note, while its naturally aspirated design ensures instant throttle response. Combined with the lightweight carbon fiber body, this RX-7 achieves an incredible power-to-weight ratio,